Alright, hi everyone, and today we're going to be making a Google form in the form of a quiz about the Google Classroom video you might have watched earlier. So we're at forms.google.com. It redirects us to this page, and this is right in my Google Drive. It's really easy to use. We can make questions, view responses, which is I'll talk about a little more soon. Change the theme, which I'm actually going to do right now, to a nice theme I made earlier. Nice Seton theme there. And some more settings. You can see that it's only people we know can do this, so let's get started. Just so you know, I am reading the questions off a piece of paper I have here next to me, so there might be a little delay there, but yeah, let's get started. We're going to call this Classroom Video Quiz. How well do you know it? So let's get started. Can only create and teach one class. This will be a true or false. You can see we can go to a page based on our answer, and there's a whole bunch of other categories, but we're really only going to use multiple choice for this quiz. And some advanced settings, and we're going to make that required. Can't spell true. And now we're just going to do a normal multiple choice. And we're going to get to go into some advanced settings. We are definitely going to shuffle these, not giving you the answers too easy, and that's also going to be required. And we're also going to do a check boxes. So this you can select more than one answer. So we're going to select all that apply. But we're going to make check boxes first. And we're going to shuffle these too. And this will also be required. Our last question, kind of fun one. Did you find this quiz to be more engaging or fun than a paper quiz? We're going to make this choose from a list. Yes or no, and that'll also be required. And that's that. It's not that difficult. And then once I start getting responses, it will show up, so I can click view responses, and I obviously don't have any yet, but it creates a Google Sheets document with the students' responses. So I think that's really cool. And they're both stored in the same folder in my Google Drive, and they're really easy to find. And to get the link that I'll use later, send form, you can shorten it, Just copy this link and give it to anybody. They will have to log in because of the settings we did earlier, and then they can do it. And that would work in Classroom and on any website. You can see you can embed it here in an email and anything. It's great for surveys, forms, and quizzes and tests. So that's that. Thanks for watching, guys, and bye-bye.